We're not playing Tank Stars.
Hello everybody. Today we decided to do a 2-episoder, and today we're gonna play a different game.
And we're going to play Squarebird today.
Yep. Okay. Without further ado, let's begin.
Why do you want to say further ado? So guys, we are going to start the game.
This is Squarebird, I believe, and
Just start.
doesn't really look that good.
Oh,
Their skins.
so Cherry, you like Batman? Batman was right there.
Yeah, but I don't have enough money to get him.
It just said it was free.
Batman's not free.
Well, it just said it was free. Oh yeah.
Oh, perfect. Oh, damn it, that was so close.
Oh, now it's my turn. Do me.
Oh, we have a prize.
Oh, can I open one?
We can.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, 100. 50.
What you want me to do with that?
Okay, we have to get 3 eggs. I'm sorry for the filler. I'm not doing this to get more time, but I just want to get 3 more eggs.
Okay, this is just an ad.
God.
I know, but I'm not trying to do any filler. If anyone thinks that, okay, I just want to get another chance at the ghost bird or whatever it was. I don't know. It's a new skin, and I have a noob skin. Would you rather have a noob skin or no noob skin? I know which one I would rather have.
My turn.
Ooh.
So guys,
I'll start.
Oh, bye-bye, kid.
Hey, we got it.
100. Okay. Next level.
It's not his fault. Why can't you do his job?
So guys, sorry. That we could just.
Sorry for the ads. We really do not.
We really don't like it either.
We really do not mean it. We are not trying to get any filler
Okay, this
in
is
this
just
episode.
annoying.
We're trying to make this episode as short.
No.
Now it just seems suspicious.
As long as we can.
No, not as long as we can, Gemma. Damn, that's just filler. And you died, Gemma. My turn.
No, I got to.
No, Gemma.
Whenever you die, you got to have another turn.
No. Once you die, you die. I'm only pardoning you because I don't know. I'm just giving you another chance. But whenever you die, it's the other person's turn.
Guys, I'm coming.
Funny story
Just
that
like
relates to this
how
pizza
from the
episode.
turn out.
Oh, this is a story time
Oh,
video.
Gemma's gone
Just
somewhere.
know that involves
Hey, you killed everybody on board.
pizza.
Not the first time it's happened as well. What?
This joke it really applies to me because this really happened to
Okay,
me.
bonus level.
Video,
Whee!
how it happened to me, but this really happened to me, guys. It was so crazy. I'm sorry, I just had something video to say. I just had to like brag a little bit. You know, I gotta like that.
What?
Why you talk like that?
Gemma just farted in my face. And she's walking like a walking dead zombie. And then, guess what she told me to do, guys? She wanted me to lie to you. Oh, you're in trouble.
That's not a lie.
She told me to tell you from my script here. She wants me to say Gemma's not walking well and that she has the coronavirus. And now she's on the floor. Great times.
So guys,
Hey, you got my man with the double flip. Hey.
next time we're going to make an animation.
Next time you're gonna make animation. Jabba, do you even know how to animate? You tell me. Next time we're gonna make an animation. We bet.
No, we're going to.
like maybe
Feel the pain.
she told
Channel,
me
it's
that
my turn now.
no, because winner stays on. Guys, should winner stay on?
No.
I feel your pain.
They said yeah.
No, they didn't.
Didn't you guys?
They didn't.
That's about getting personal at the end.
You can't even talk.
Winner stays on.
YouTube is they whipping me good, you know. I can't like you want to say the words and then you.
I'm
can't
tired
say,
about
like,
this
you
privilege.
really stalk yourself. Because YouTube has whipped you that good. Like YouTube, you've done a good job at. Oh wow, but yeah, that was Black Yoshi's first job or first 3 jobs, and he didn't even get a good job at it. I'm surprised he was able to be a certain assistant at his first job. Pretty years of college. Or whatnot.
Hello, guys. Channel wanted to
My turn. Ow! Get off me, Jesus! This Gemma told me to tell you. Gemma told me to tell you that she's gonna say that she wants new skin and I should ask her why, and then she said so she can say I'm tired of all this privilege.
He told me that, and he said, "I'll kill you if you tell them."
I'll kill you if I tell you. Gemma, why would I kill you? Give me one reason why I have to kill you.
You can't even draw.
Oh, shut up, Gemma. At least I actually know how to play this game.
You can ever undergo. I know everybody wants to be a YouTuber. All you kids want to be YouTubers, but let me tell you, it's not as all like.
Gemma, I won. Is winner stays on.
It's a lot of self-discipline. You have to really get used to.
You're the one who wants to start the fight.
When did I start a fight? Guys, did I start the fight or did Gemma start the fight?
You did.
It's up to you. So you have to have real self-discipline.
I give up.
You gotta have some. I mean, you don't really need.
Come on, are we gonna play or not?
No.
Ooh, an egg.
No.
Ooh, babies.
No.
Probably not gonna do so well.
You're just gonna go 3 in a row.
And see how about when Junior creates a YouTube channel, if he starts like a gaming channel or vlogging, or if he like reacts to things on the internet, what's he gonna do? But if you really like, subscribe, and go ahead and comment what your YouTube
Gemma,
channel.
when I...
My YouTube channel started off
So,
like,
guys,
Guys, we really do not mean the ads. We are so sorry. This game is just so ad prone. There's so many ads, it's actually dangerous.
What's dangerous?
The ads are dangerous.
What is?
And also it says on the script made by me that Jam is a boomer. Say hi, boomer. Boomer, say you're a boomer.
I'm a boomer.
Jam is a boomer. I can't believe I just made you call yourself a boomer. Well, anyway, she said it herself. She's a boomer. And she dead. Hey, she's still alive. Gemma is the luckiest woman to grace the earth. Well, maybe not the luckiest, but still, you get what I mean. I think I'm gonna get a skin.
What kind of skin?
Captain America, Batman.
Get Batman.
100 million views?
Or get that stupid robot.
Oh, you should stop
Jenna,
talking.
You could get Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man was right up there.
Okay, you don't need to show my ear because of it.
There.
Spider-Man. Just no. God, please, no.
Just get Batman if you like him.
I don't want to watch another ad, so I'm just gonna find something which I don't need to pay. I need to pay. I mean, I don't need. You know what? I'm not watching another ad because I am tired of them.
I can't believe they're all birds.
You know what? It doesn't matter. Hey,
Guys, I'm trying to
don't tell Gemma I did that.
This climbing. So guys, you know in the next video.
In the next video, we're gonna be playing another game. Yay!
Yeah, we're going to, now we're not going to make like,
Hey, he just got wrecked.
guys, we're not going to do any videos anymore. We're just going to do this, play games.
Jammer, making games, playing games in front of a camera and then sending it onto YouTube is making a video. Jam, do you not understand the meaning of making a video?
Or, guys, in the next video, we could do a prank.
I died in the exact. I mean, I did not die. I mean, I
Guys,
spawned.
if we didn't delete Roblox, then we could in the next video we could play Roblox.
Wait, you deleted Roblox?
Channel.
I just got clotheslined.
Well, guys, I'm coming.
Well, Jammer's going to the toilet.
No, I'm not.
Sure you're not, Jammer. Why don't? Why?
So, guys, I hope you're enjoying with Channel playing the game.
How is he still playing the game? While looking inside the air, I give up. I just give up. I give up in all humanity. Well, anyway.
First, I can't believe we have 2 minutes. First game we're going to play. We got 4 views.
We got 4 views. Way!
Hello everybody, it's your boy Channel. Stop confusing my accent. Okay everybody, it's your boy Channel. Today we're gonna play some games. Yay!
And I've been clotheslined again. Well, I guess that's enough for today.
We're going to play this game.
Thank you for joining me to game in the regular journal game session or whatever this is. Yeah, I think that's enough for today. And just as always, I'll see you guys later.